Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, this is our second class. In our last class, we learned about narration, and in our last class, we discussed about the change of tense. In our class, this is the same class. In this second class, we are going to discuss or learn about the change of persons. As we know from our last class that narration has two parts. This part which is outside the inverted comma, that is called reporting verb, and which is inside the inverted comma, that is called reported speech. And this is the subject of reporting verb, and this is the subject of reported speech. So always keep it in your mind that if the subject of the reported speech is in first person, all we know that it is first person. If it is in first person, then we will have to change it according to the subject of reporting verb. That means if you write the answer, so Junaid said to me that, so I will convert it according to Junaid. So here we will use he, because he is the pronoun form of Junaid. So he, right, it will be converted as we discussed in our last class that if there is present form, present indefinite tense, that will convert it to past indefinite tense. And if the reporting verb is in past form, so here right will be wrote, and this is the past form of write. So wrote a letter. So from this rule we can understand that if the person of the reported speech is in first person, then it will change according to the subject of reporting verb. Next, in the next sentence we can see that it is reporting verb, that means RV, write down its short form, and this is reported speech, that is RS. So here we can see that the subject is you, that means this is second person. This is second person. So if the subject of the reported speech is in second person, then it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. So just always keep in mind that if it is second person, the subject of the reported speech is second person, then we will have to change it according to the object of the reporting verb. So Alvi said to me that, so you will change according to what? Me. So me is in objective form, but here you was in subjective form. So we have to change it into subject form. So you will be me. So we will not write me. The subject form of me is I. And as we discussed or we learned in our last class that have will convert it to had. That means present perfect will change to past perfect tense. Had finished it. In the last sentence, last example, so this is RV, that means reporting verb, and this is what? RS, reported speech. So we can see here that in the last example that the subject of the reported speech is she. That means it is third person. If the subject of the reported speech is in third person, it may be he, it may be she, or it may be anything else. Whatever it is, if it is in third person, if the subject is third person, then we don't have to change. We don't have to make any change of the subject of the reported speech. Whatever it is, if it is third person, then we don't need to change it. So the answer will be Milon said to me that she, and it will remain unchanged. So she, and the tense will change. Is will convert it to was. So she was fine. So there are three rules we learned here. The first one is if the subject of the reported speech is in first person, then we will have to change it according to the subject of the reporting verb. If the subject of the reported speech is in second person, we will have to change it according to the object of the reporting verb. And if the subject of the third person, if the subject of the reported speech is in third person, just keep in mind that if it is third person, if the subject is third person, then we don't have to change it. It will remain unchanged. With the students, or the students always make the mistake that if there is third person, then you don't, you have the intention to change it. And you also make a mistake, that is, if the rules number 2, if the subject is in second person, then you change it with object, but you don't use, basically normally you don't use the subjective form of the object. We just always keep it in mind that you have to change it, you have to convert it into subjective form as it is used here as a subject. So this is the rules of person change while changing direct into indirect narration. So thank you everybody for joining the virtual class. Thank you.